Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can add your name in WhatsApp app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, don't forget to write your comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. So, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Next, you will need to go to Settings. And now you'll need to go to this section where your name or your profile picture. You thus get to edit your profile. And there's a section here for your name. You can click here and you can change your name. Or you can add, if you already have some name, you can just add some more. And then, when you've made the changes that you want to make here, don't forget to save them. Click Done to do that. And now, as you can see, the name changes have been saved. Friends, this is how you will be able to add your name in WhatsApp, or you can change it. I really hope that you have seen how you can do this very easily, that this video was helpful for you. Give us your likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later.